Hi there, here we have the 2017 Mokka X. This is the 1.4 active 5-door auto. I'll do a quick video walking around the vehicle showing you the excellent condition this car is offered in. Right, so there is front parking sensors. There is no scuffs on the front bumper. The bonnet is nice and clean, there is no chips on the bonnet. Let's have a look at the alloys. The alloys are nice and clean. There is no scratches on the alloys. Just to confirm, this is a one owner from new with full VAUXHALL service history. Rushmores have fully serviced the vehicle as well as a MOT at point of sale. It's got the rear parking sensors as well. So as you saw there as well, there is no scratches or scuffs on the back bumper, so everything as it should be. RAC Platinum warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover is also included within the price of the vehicle. You do have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months, so this is something we highly recommend at Rushmores. So if you wanted more information about the warranty, then not a problem, you can definitely give us a call, or once you come down to the showroom we can give you more information. Alright, let's have a look inside the vehicle as well. So as you can see, nice and clean. There is no scratches on the dash. Seats are nice and clean as well. There is no tears on these seats. So at the back there is also the ISOFIX. It is a pet-free and smoke-free vehicle, so there is no odours inside the car. Very nice boot space. There is also the parcel shelf. A bit of privacy once it's closed. So as you can see, there is no tears on the back seats, everything as it should be. Seats are not dirty, nice and clean. Right, let's jump inside the driver's side. So we've got the electric windows, electric folding in door mirrors, there's the auto lights. Nice and clean steering wheel. There is no scratches or tears on the leather on the steering wheel. Right, so here we have the audio. So you can there is the FM, AM and the DAB, as well as the Bluetooth audio or USB or aux. So you have options there. How do you want it to play your music? Let's go back on here, and then if you go on to the telephone, you can connect your phone. So it does have the Bluetooth phone where you can connect your phone for calls. There is a projector, so if you wanted to connect whatever's on your phone onto the screen, then that is something you can definitely do with the USB. There's the climate control as well. The aircon is the parking sensors. Usually on the doors there'll be a few scratches. It is quite common on cars on the driver's side doors to have scratches. So in this case, it's not the case. It's nice and clean. Right, just to recap before we finish off the video, it is a one owner from new with full main dealer service history. Rushmores have fully serviced the vehicle when it came in, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. There is the Platinum RAC warranty as well as the 12 months recovery, so that's included within the price. If there is any questions or you need finance arranging, please don't hesitate to give us a call, as we'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching.